Let's create this simple flyer in Canva. Let's go. So now let's customize our design, the size of our design. Now that we have our canvas, let's add the image we'll be using to our design over here. We'll be using this wedding picture and set the picture as the background. Go to edit and select the image, then select click for Canva to highlight the part that you want to separate. So over here I can separate the image from the background. So select both images. By selecting the images correctly, make sure all parts of the image is being selected. Then click on grab to grab the image to separate the image from the background. So now you can move the image without affecting the background. So just shift it to the left a little bit. So you can have space for the text we are coming to add. That we have separated the image from the background, we are coming to add our shape. So add a square and then scale it to cover the whole canvas. Make sure you select the color image the color which you want to apply to your shape. You may want green, so that is what has been selected over there. Now let's go ahead and add gradient. So click on add new color, then go to gradient, then select the number of colors that you want to add. So I've selected my colors over here. Just need to adjust it a little bit. So select the first color and decrease the opacity to 0, and the second color to decrease it to about 20%. For us to have the perfect effect that we want. Yeah, that is okay. So now we are adding our text. We are done with the color gradient, and we are adding the text to the canvas. to arrange the text well on the canvas just to make sure everything is perfect, and this is the result.